Welcome back here on my channel. Thanks for joining me here in my diecast room in Bavaria, in Germany. So this is the second part of my Matchbox 5-pack unboxing. You know I went to Lidl and bought 5 of these 5-packs for €5.99 each, and I think that's a fair price for these 5-packs. I hope you have seen my video where I'm unboxing the other 3 5-packs. If not, take a look down here in the description below. I'll put a link to that video. So, what do we got today? We have the Top Gun Maverick set. You know there are 2 different sets from this movie. By the way, unfortunately I haven't seen the movie yet, but we'll get to that in a minute. I would say we start with this one here, the Coffee Cruisers 3 set. Let's take a quick look at the packaging. This is the 35 Ford pickup in a hot rod style version, also here on the back. I already cut the packaging open. So, here we go. Let's bring down the camera a little bit. And I would say we start with this one here, which is the 1964 Aston Mini Cooper in white. So we don't have any deco on the back, but we got details on the front. And this is looking kind of good. We have some headlights, and because of the chrome base, we have a chrome grille. And yeah, this does look very good. And got a black roof, which is also looking very nice. And I hope you can see it. You've got a red interior. This one is a right-hand drive, by the way. But I think this is a very nice version of the Mini Cooper. I love this color combination, the black roof, red interior. And I also do like the wheels. I think, yeah, all in all, a very nice model. Let's put this into parking position. As we go on with the 1975 Chevy Caprice. Looking good once again with a chrome base. So we got a chrome front and a chrome bumper. We got some details here on the side, this white stripe. Yeah, all in all, I have to say, nice 70s car. I got 2 other versions of this Caprice. I think kind of in green and red. Yeah. So yeah, I'm not too much into cars of the 60s and 70s, but yeah, I think this one is just looking cool. So into parking position, and we go on with the Corvette T-top. Yeah, so this guy is looking kind of wild in a gold metallic deco with flames. Well, maybe not everybody's taste. I think, yeah, it's kind of old school, and I have to say I do like it. We got no details on the back. Oops. Here we go. Nothing on the front, but a lot of flames here on the side. Coming with mismatched wheels. We got bigger wheels in the back. Red 5 spokes. You know that I'm not a huge fan of these wheels in different sizes. I think on this car it's kind of okay. It's not too extreme. We got some Matchbox models, or especially Hot Wheels models, where you have extremely large wheels in the back. And sometimes it's a little bit too much. But on this car, I think it's okay. Brown interior. Yeah, good looking model. Into the parking space. Now we go on with the 35 Ford pickup. So yeah, this is a hot rod version, and if you are following my channel, you know that I'm not a huge fan of hot rods. It's just not my cup of tea, but I guess there are a lot of Matchbox fans that do like these cars. But although I'm not a huge hot rod fan, I think this is a nice version, a really nice metallic green livery with these golden details here on the side and these golden engine details and the grille. I think it looks good, although I mentioned it's not my cup of tea, and so into the parking position it goes. My personal highlight is this one. This is the 1968 Dodge D200. Yeah, nothing too spectacular. I mean, this gray base and gray front doesn't look too good, but I just love this deco. I think the color combination of red, white and yellow and a little bit of orange, just looking good. So yeah, just a really good looking model. Yeah, and with that we are done with the first 5-pack. So now we'll get to the second one, the Top Gun Maverick set. As I already mentioned, there are 2 versions of the set. The other one is coming, I think, for example, with a Jeep 4x4, an older version of the Ford Bronco. And I think it also comes with a swing wing in a different deco. And I think I already mentioned it, but I haven't seen the movie yet, unfortunately. So I can't tell you anything about that. So as you see, this packaging is a little bit different. We have no car details here on the side. Normally here you find the different cars, and on this packaging you'll find the content of this packaging here on the back. So let's get these out of the packaging, bring the camera down once again, and I would say we start with the swing wing, which is this one. Well, at first glance you could think that the whole model is made out of plastic, but it's not. This top part here is metal, painted in a matte gray, and of course the name swing wing is because of the swinging wings, I guess. Yeah, I think it's not the greatest plane model ever. Here this cabin is just painted, yeah, looking not too great anyways. And here on the base, these wheels are kind of just one plastic piece, so no rolling wheels, as you can see. Yeah, but I guess most of you are not buying these 5-packs because of the helicopters and airplanes. Yes, most of you are into cars like I am. So let's put this swing wing into the parking lot as we, let's put this to the side, go on with the petrol pumper, which is on the base the utility truck. Yeah, just a tank truck with a blue cabin. So this part, the cabin is made out of metal, the rest is plastic. We've seen this already in a 5-pack this year. Was in the Matchbox Airport set with a different deco, as you can see. Yeah, once again, I think it's hard to see here on camera, but I will try to show you. We have a slightly different tone of blue. The right one from the Matchbox Airport set is a little bit darker. So that was the utility truck. Into to parking position as we go on with this one here. The Ford F-150 SVT Raptor, coming with deco on the back, deco on the front with the molded in Ford lettering, looking very good in glossy black. Comes with this spare tire here on the bed, also has a tow hitch. And yeah, we've already seen this in my last video. We got this version of the pickup truck, which came in matte black and a little bit more deco. So I would say the matte version is my personal favorite. So let's put this to the side and the Ford into the parking lot, and let's move on with the Dodge Challenger in a glossy gray with a little bit of racing deco here on the hood. Nice deco on the front, nicely done headlights, nothing on the side, and we also got deco on the back and a Dodge license plate and some exhaust details. Looking good with these black 5-spokes with the silver silver details. Very nice. I guess this is my favorite of this Maverick set. And now let's finish this up with the 1956 Aston Martin DBR1. Here it is. Yeah, once again, a car from the 50s, not my cup of tea. Anyways, I think it's a cute model in British racing green with racing decos. These side pipes here on the side. What I do not like are how the headlights are done. Just these silver stains. I think it doesn't look too good. For sure, this is a right-hand drive British racing car. And once again, we are done. If you did like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. And with that, I say thanks for watching, happy hunting, and see you next time. Bye.